Everybody, welcome. What's happening, everybody? What's going on? Welcome in, guys, to another live. We are back Sunday morning, having a day already. Tons of stuff happening in the markets, guys. What's going on? We will give it some time, let some people file in here, and lot to talk about, lot to get into for sure. We've got a ton of news, ton of information out there right now. And in this live stream, guys, I want to talk about kind of which cryptos I'm buying right now, which cryptos I'm taking a look at as some big opportunities here as we get ready for the new week. So happy to have some people join us. We'll see if we can get some people here on the line as this gets pushed out to some people. What's going on, everybody? What's happening? We'll give it a little bit of time, let some people pop on in here. And yeah, we're going to get to it. Talk about which cryptos we're buying right now, both in the small cap, large cap space. We've had some big swings here in the markets. It's been kind of boring this weekend. We've been so used to having, crazy volatility. It's been pretty slow, but there are still some big winners right now. We're going to talk about some of our large caps that are doing really well, some of our small caps as well that have been looking really solid too. So a lot to dive into and lot to get after here in this live. So appreciate you guys for popping on. Welcome, everybody. Hit the like button on your way in. What's up, VASCO? What's going on, man? What's going on? Welcome, everybody. All right, so let's start up at the top. Bitcoin just under 64,000, guys. Bitcoin hovering there under 64 right now. Pretty much flat here today. Not much brewing there. Gala Games has been looking pretty decent. Gala Games is up 10% here today still. ICP making a little bit of a push. Dogecoin has been quietly on a nice little tear, up 15% in the last week. I'll tell you what, though, some of our large cap plays that have been crushing it. How about Stacks? STX, guys. STX, Stacks, bringing smart contracts and DeFi to Bitcoin. They recently set all-time highs. They are looking extremely bullish at $3.60. Absolutely loving Stacks. We started really ramping up our position there at $1.50. We were all over that. Thanks to XT Algo too, our trading indicator called that thing a while back, and I just love what that project stands for. Love the potential there that exists with Stacks STX. Love the rebrand from the purple logo to the orange logo. People now associate it with Bitcoin a little bit more, which love that as well. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Cheers. We're just finishing up our first cup of coffee. How's everybody doing? Good morning, Fear. Bro, could you check Gari Network once? Yeah, we'll take a look at it here in a little bit. Ken Olson, what's up, man? Good morning, Scott. How we doing? Guys, if you could, hit that like button on your way in. We're going to have people dropping in. Guys, we're covering which cryptos I'm buying right now. I recently stacked more kaspa. That's another one that I'm buying. How about Aptos as well? APT. Aptos. I mean, that has been an unbelievable play for us. It's up 72% in the last month. Aptos, APT, up 70% in the last month. We put a long form video out it, but we've been talking about Aptos since they launched, guys. As a Solana competitor, a lot of VC money. They're getting close to setting their all-time high. Their all-time high was hit back in January of 2023 when they launched. We are dangerously close, about 18% away for the Aptos all-time high. Their all-time high is $19.90. $19.90. Right now we're sitting at $16.21 on Aptos. So we have been adding to our Aptos position. We've bought more Aptos. I'm loading up there. I like kaspa right now. We loaded up there on some meme coin gains. Was happy to load up there. We loaded up some more Jasmy as well. Jasmy looks primed, I think, for another big run here. Let's take a look at Jasmy real quick. Let's see here. Jasmy, yeah, still comfortably sitting at 2 cents. pretty much flat here on the day, but still the last week, Jasmy's up 16.5%. Last month, up 65%. Last year, 339%. So Jasmy's been on a nice little rally back since we dialed back into like the 1.6 range. We opened up our position at the 1.3. So we're happy with that. They're sitting just over $1 billion market cap right now is Jasmy. A lot going on there in the ecosystem. We're waiting on some big news in terms of their future roadmap. So we're waiting for that to come out. But these are some of the plays that I like to add on to right now. I mentioned Solana before quite a bit, and we're going over these big caps first, guys. So Solana is sitting at $1.75 right now, 175 that is. I really like to accumulate Solana even at these levels. I think Solana is just getting started. I really do. This thing went to $2.10 within the last week. We saw that happen back on the 18th, about 6 days ago. But we're really just in a nice consolidation pattern right now. We've got some support just below this too, around 170. So that's been really solid. I'm stacking a nice Solana position. How am I doing it? I'm basically taking my meme coin gains, cashing back out in Solana, and just riding a nice position for Solana in this bull run. I do think we're going to see a $700 to $1,000 Solana in this run, which sounds crazy, but it just very quietly, Solana's up 72% this month, just in the last 30 days. So we mentioned Solana. Cardano, we're still holding the line there. We've got a big position. Just put out a SHIB video, by the way. You definitely want to check out that Shiba Inu video I put out just this morning before we went live here. If you missed it, and check it out after this live stream's over, because we're really close. We're really close with SHIB in terms of getting back into the threes. Oh, Zach, Jasmy roadmap was released yesterday for 2024. Thank you. I got to check into that. Thank you. I appreciate that. I've been waiting to see that. Appreciate that. So we'll have to do a video on that for sure. Actually, you know what? I'm going to make a note of that. So we'll definitely do a Jasmy coin video on the new, I'll have to dive into that, and then we'll do a video on it, give you guys my thoughts. But yeah, put out the SHIB video. We are getting close there to breaking back into the threes, guys. We're not too far away there, so that looks pretty solid. If we can maintain these price levels. We came up to around this range, guys, about 3 or 4 times with SHIB, and we're kind of waiting to see if we can break through and hammer through some resistance there. Chainlink has been, slow. I really like Chainlink though still. I think it's undervalued here at $18.30. Really like Chainlink. It's been a slow mover. There's no doubt about it, but I really like it moving forward here. Same could be said for Polygon. Polygon has been very quiet, sitting at $1 flat right now, not moving too much. Kind of a sleeping giant there, 2 of those. Internet Computers, another one, has a ton of upside, starting to move a little bit the last couple days. The AI sector has been pretty quiet too. The AI sector has been pretty quiet so far. I don't think it'll be quiet for much longer. I do think we're going to see Render, Injective, the rest of the big AI space start to move. We own pretty much all of the top ones there, except BitTensor. We missed that one. We're kind of waiting to see if we can get a better price on that. The graph is dialed back a little bit to 37 cents. We mentioned kaspa. Pepe's right there, ranked at 41. It's pretty quiet, cooled off a little bit. Let's see here. Sui is another one. Sui has cooled down, but it's still up on the week, over 8%. I really like Sui, guys. SUI. VeChain also is another one that we've talked about all the way back since 2021. I still hold a nice position in VeChain, but I'm really focused on some of these newer cryptos right now in terms of building positions out. So Sui and Aptos and Stacks, kaspa, those ones are kind of taking precedence for me right now over VeChain. Appreciate everybody listening in too. Any thoughts on Toshi on base? I just actually saw that this morning. Just actually saw that. Willis, yeah, we put out a video on BitRock. We've been day one investor for a while, man. Absolutely love what they're doing in the L2 space. There's some great L2s, and we'll get there when we get into some of our small cap plays. Vitalik Smart Gas Token, VSG, they've been crushing it. The VSG token has been crushing it. Shout out to those guys too. VSG. Wicked's in the house. What's up, man? Loading up on Solana, many of its ecosystem coins. Whiff. Nice. I like it, man. I like it. Talk about 4Star a little bit, please. Give me any thoughts. Yeah, Real Dominican. So 4Star is in their pre-sale. I only put a little bit into the pre-sale. I'll tell you this about pre-sales, guys. I don't go heavy into pre-sales. I put a little bit in there. They're getting into the metaverse. I had heard this is the old Luna team, and the Luna 1 crypto project was a disaster. This isn't the old team. It's a takeover or a makeover, if you will. They're taking the idea and actually, let's see what we can do with it. Kind of like Operation Phoenix is doing with the Safe Moon, the old Safe Moon project. So we'll see, right? 4Star, there's a lot of risk no matter what. And I'm trying to get more information. For those people in my Patreon Discord, they know this. I've been kind of working on getting more and more insight into 4Star. No matter what, though, guys, when it comes to pre-sales, I don't over-leverage myself in pre-sales. It's so risky. You just never know with pre-sales. Sometimes they go extremely well, right? And if the devs are good people and they see the project through, then pre-sales can work. But sometimes pre-sales go terribly wrong. I mean, that's just the world we live in. We got to be realistic about that. Solana meme coins, yeah, we own a ton of them. We own a lot of them. Yeah, we're going to get there, Richard, for sure. Brett has been on a tear. And we're going to get to our top cryptos. Let's just go over into the small cap space now. I think that's what people are probably most concerned with too. People love the small cap space. By the way, I appreciate everybody out there. If you are new, consider subscribing to the channel. I would appreciate that greatly. By the way, I haven't been live the last couple of days, guys, because I'm getting a dental implant in. I had to get this tooth removed, so it's been swelled up, and I've been doing my videos, but it's been kind of hard talking, and it's all swelled up, but it's better today, so that's why I'm back live with you guys today. Usually we're live almost every day, doing these vertical live streams for you guys, and a ton of fun out here when we do these. Always meeting new people stopping in. So I appreciate you guys. If you are new, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. We put out a ton of different content, whether it's YouTube shorts, long form videos, live streams like this. But let's take a look at some of our small caps, some of the ones we track. I want to start with a little company called Tradix, guys. This is a company that I was with from day one. Tradix has been around for a little while. You guys might remember me talking about them. They're an application that allows you to set limit orders on small cap cryptos. They launched all the way back January 2023. They have set all-time highs. Tradix, absolutely crushing it. That's ticker symbol TX, Tradix, at a $1.8 million market cap now. Still a small cap, but they have been doing really well. So shout out to them. Here, you know what? Let me take this out. Let me do this. There we go. The lighting is going to be kind of weird because I'm getting this all set. But how about Kendu? Kendu Inu. This is the one that we got into. It's still a $6 million, below $6 million. Kendu Inu, though. This is one that Satoshi was following their Twitter page. Guys, it's been on a nice bounce back tear. Kendu Inu. Okay, sitting just under a $6 million market cap on Ethereum. I own some of this strictly because Satoshi Kusama from SHIB was in there. The smart money token, AI crypto play, guys, they're getting close to setting all-time highs. We made a video on them way back when they were a $3-4 million market cap, sitting at $9 million. Love this as a longer-term opportunity. Stay ahead of the curve, real-time AI-powered tracking of the top-performing traders on chain. Smart money token. This one has been crushing it. SMRT. You guys know how we are in the AI sector. Okay, we come to dominate AI cryptos, especially the small cap space. We've been crushing it. We've been crushing AI. All right, Andy on Solana trying to get another resurgence here, sitting at 9 million. I did own some of this. I won on the trade barely when this thing was pumping. We'll see if it can make a comeback. I still own a little bit of Andy on Sol. We'll see if it makes a resurgence. Still a lot of good volume, so that's good. And still at a 9 million. Demo on Matic, it's one we've been watching and tracking for a while. Still looks really strong. DIMO on Matic, one for you guys to look into. Okay, guys, and by the way, free alpha here. I'm just giving you guys free alpha all the way through here. Okay, so if you guys would smash the like button, find the 3 dots, hit the like button, subscribe down below. I'm giving you guys free game here. All right. But Demo's been one very low key, been looking really solid, really good volume. DIMO on Matic. And this is not a meme coin, by the way. Not a meme coin. There's their Twitter page. Look into what they do. I'm telling you guys might like something there. We were tracking this one, BOMO. I never got into this. This is the Book of Missing Out. They launched this after the Book of Memes. This thing looks still pretty rough. I mean, I never got into it. I was tracking it a little bit. But yeah, it's on Solana, just straight meme coin, not too much there. But Brett, this is a different story. This chart just looks amazing. Brett on base, guys. Been talking about Brett on base since it was 120 million. It's 367 million right now. Last 2 days, great green candles. We're looking ready and primed for a breakout. Look at this chart. I mean, it looks like we want to start to send here. The highest we got was up there just over a $500 million market cap. We called it at 120 when we decided to get in. I said, you know what? I think this could be the first billion-dollar meme coin on Brett at 120 million. We're up a little bit on our gains. I have heard about the Brian Armstrong one. I have not got in that yet, though. But Brett is one we have a strong position in. Full disclosure, we are working with them as a marketing partner. So I do want to say that. Let's see what else we got. How about TokenFi, guys? If you guys were locked in on this channel, you knew about TokenFi the day they launched. Look at this damn chart. TokenFi is within the Floki ecosystem. It is now a $66 million market cap. This is not a meme coin, by the way. TokenFi getting heavily invested, and they're building a platform that's amazing for tokenizing real-world assets. 3.5 million in volume. Look at that. 66 million, and look at the last few days on TokenFi. It has absolutely exploded. We were day one in here, guys, and we said it was going to be a longer-term hold throughout this bull run. Let me know in chat if you guys got into TokenFi, if you guys were listening to us. We were day one. We were on the initial Twitter space, okay? And guys, that's the thing. I'll tell you when we get it right, and I'll tell you when we get it wrong. We're not going to get it right all the time, but you know what? When we win, let's win big. And we've won big with TokenFi. I've already profited here, and I've got a big bag. I think this is going to be a billion-dollar market cap. I'm going to go out on a limb, okay? I think TokenFi can literally be a billion-dollar market cap in this run at some point. It's that big. It's the Floki sister token, but it's not a meme, guys. It's for real. Sora, we're still holding this one. Man, it's been brutal. The volume has remained okay. We got wrecked on this one. We bought it on this big green candle. It has not come back up there. You know, we held it all the way down. We didn't put a lot in here, though. Okay, this is on Ethereum, Sora, S-O-R-A, meme coin. We only bought like $300 worth, okay? But so far, we're waiting for this thing to come back. If it doesn't, well, you know, that's how it goes. You're going to lose some for sure in crypto. Boba, same thing here. We tried to chase Boba a little bit on this pullback. We bought in like somewhere in here. Boba's just been not good. I'm just going to continue to hold it. It's not worth anything now. Again, we only put a few $100 into this. So that one has not been good. Meme AI was one of those meme coin pre-sales that didn't do anything, and then it popped like crazy. We took profits up here. We're still holding a little bit of the bag, but we took nice profits on this big green candle. This was a meme coin that had a big pre-sale, a lot of hype around it. Looked like it wasn't going to do anything forever. Pretty much all, launched in January, didn't do anything, and then just exploded. And when it did, we got out and left a little bit in. Good thing we did. Meme AI still at an 8.37 million. but struggling to find what it had here back in early March. We'll see if it can make another run up there. This was the Trump token we talked about. We partnered up with this team not too long ago at right around a $15 million market cap. They're still right there at around a $15 million market cap. We're looking to kind of make a surge here. They actually did pop up here to about 20 million, come back down, but it looks like there's still really good volume here. This is Super Trump on ETH. We did market with them or do a marketing, did a video, paid sponsored video for them. So we'll see what they can do. We've seen some Trump tokens crush it. One that was obviously amazing for us was Donald Trump on Solana. We were not paid or anything. We found it at a $200,000 market cap, and we crushed it with that. K9 has been rough, but this is a long-term hold for me. It's part of the SHIB ecosystem. It's very, very early, guys. Still at a $9 million market cap. Honestly, in my honest opinion, and I'm not being paid by K9 at all, I think this is a good opportunity. If you missed it at launch, I think this is a good opportunity, in my personal opinion. Again, this is a long-term play for me throughout this entire bull run at least, but I really like K9 to make a big surge with liquid staking on Shibarium when this market starts to heat up. So K9 Finance DAO, not a meme coin, part of the SHIB official team and an ecosystem. I think this is, some pre-sellers taking some profits, but I think this is going to ramp back up. I bought in right at launch. I think I'm about even now on my position. I'm okay with that and considering adding more, actually. Cora on Solana. Man, thank God this one came back. We invested in this one at the bottom. We invested in Cora on Solana at the bottom. Ran it all the way up, about 3 or 4x our money, took some profits, and I'm out of this one right now completely. We're just kind of watching maybe for another entry into Cora. Hopefully we can catch another wave, but I'm glad that thing popped back up. We got lucky there. I was on a Twitter space, and no, we did not work with them or anything. That was just a degen play. I threw like 300 at it and pulled 1,200 out a couple weeks later, so that was cool. Yeah, we'll see. We might make another play on that because that thing does get super volatile at times, Cora. So we'll keep an eye on that. Dragon with Hat, okay, on Ethereum. Been tracking this, have not bought it yet. It's a 462K market cap, though. Dragon with Hat. Volume is super low still, okay, but Dragon with Hat, we'll see if it catches on. It's still a really low market cap. And, the daily chart's not terrible here. This thing launched on March 4th, okay, just kind of a slow stare up right now. Dragon with Hats on Ethereum. This one might be something to look at. Again, I'm not invested, not being paid or anything. Just going to be tracking it. It is a low market cap. We do like that. It's below 500K. So we do like that. And pretty good liquidity, too, at 138K, only being a 462K market cap. So we are watching that one. We've got that on our radar. We might make a play. The Scans token, we've been working. We worked with these guys early on when they first launched. They are on their way down a little bit, but they've had a great run. They're still at a $12.28 million market cap. Pullback now. OX Scans, great company, though. Really solid what they're doing. Multifunctional AI auditing solutions for smart contracts. Very useful. We did profit on this already. We still have a bag we're holding for the longer term. Mars Swap on Shibarium, 2.63 million. Still really, really well down here on the charts. I do think this is an underrated project. I am helping them with marketing a little bit. Just wanted to help get the word out, so full disclosure. But I do like them. They've been talked about by Shytoshi and company. Guys, if you would, hit the like button. We've got 300 people with us, but only 24 likes. So hit those 3 dots, smash the like button. Seriously, it's totally free. Helps us out tremendously, and would appreciate that greatly for sure. So we've got some people tuning in here to us, and if you guys would, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Why not? We're giving you guys free alpha, free content every single day. How about Pal AI? This is one that's on a pullback, guys. This hit over a $600 million market cap. I like this position. I know it's crazy at a $460 million market cap, but Pal AI, I think, is going to have another run. I met these guys at eToronto last year. Look at this freaking chart. Pal AI has been one of my best AI investments. It has been amazing. Okay, amazing. And we still have a nice position. We've profited on the way up. That's been a great one for us. Myro, good old Myro, still sitting at a $231 million market cap, guys. This on another pullback. I mean, you're looking at some great opportunities here. It's just where do you want to go, right? Myro looks like it's kind of bottomed out and looks like it wants to start to reverse here. All right, sitting at 230 million. We got up close to 500 million. We'll see if we can get there on a potential next run up there. So Myro's still looking primed potentially for another run here. This is on Solana. The Hello token on BNB, we have been tracking this. I like this as a potential opportunity too. The Hello token is, we got a double bottom here. We got a double bottom on this chart. I might be entering a nice position here. I've been waiting for a while here to enter a position. It's at a $44 million market cap. Hello Labs coming down here. We got a nice double bottom here on this chart. I like this position here. I might even add this today. If not today, probably tomorrow. We've been tracking this and looking for entry points. Please stop spamming the chat, Mr. C, please. That goes for everybody. Do not do that, please. Nobody wants that, all right? We'll get a moderator. If we have a moderator in here, please handle all of these. I mean, all right, we're just going to go ahead and listen, guys. We got to put you in timeout, man. You guys, you got to listen. Okay. We're going to have to put you in timeout. We're going to have to go back to when you were in kindergarten and put you in timeout. Okay. All right. I got to put you in timeout. All righty. Let's go down the line here. Spooky on Sol. I'm waiting for this thing to pop, guys. Spooky on Sol. We own we own a few $100, nothing crazy, okay? But Spooky on Sol, I'm waiting for a pop here. Volume's still steady, still at a 1.2 million. It's a meme coin on Solana, not being paid, just a degen play. What else do we got here? Oh, I didn't mention Alvara. This is a long-term play for us. Alvara was a private investment for us, and it looks like all the private pre-sellers have pretty much sold off. This thing could be primed for a rally. It's a really solid project. I know the chart looks terrible, but it's a really solid project. Check it out if you guys are interested in a real utility play at a really low market cap still. I'm still holding my position. I got in right at launch with Alvara. So did help them with marketing, by the way. But this is a more longer-term play for me. A lot of pre-sellers looks like they're almost out. Let's see what else we got here. How about DPay, guys? DPay has been unbelievable. Devour. If you guys don't know about Devour, let's go to the weekly chart. Look at this for Devour. Holy shit. Devour is now almost at a $30 million market cap. If you guys have been listening to me for a while, and this is no bullshit, okay? If you guys were with me in the middle of the bear market, Devour was a $2 million market cap when I was preaching from the mountaintops to look at it. I don't tell you what to buy. I just tell you guys, hey, you might want to look into this, see if it's something that interests you. Well, Devour was sitting down here in the basement all of 2023, pretty much the entire year, guys. Pretty much literally the entire year. Like 8 months was sitting right in this range. And Devour has been absolutely scorching. And it's with good reason. This is a really solid startup company. I would love to see them partner with Shiba Inu. By the way, I've put this in front of people at SHIB. I would love to see Devour partner with them in their metaverse. I think it would be a great fit, and the gaming side. If you guys don't know what Devour does, it's like Uber Eats for the blockchain, but they're getting in heavily into gaming too. Amazing company. Check them out. I would love to see them partner with SHIB. I have a contact where I can get in touch with Shaitoshi. I put it in front of his desk. We'll see. I mean, obviously he's a busy guy and he probably gets pitched stuff all the time. But I put it in front of the right people. I'm telling you guys, I would love to see it. I think it could really be big for SHIB. That's just me as a community member. I don't have any, I can't pull any strings, but I can voice my opinion. So that's my 2 cents. So if you guys are new here, welcome in. Dino said crypto's a scam, to be honest. It's just gambling. Well, There's different levels to it, Dino. It sounds like you're new to the game. I mean, it's a crazy space, man, and that attitude won't make you any money. I'll tell you that. There's a ton of opportunity, man, a ton of great things happening, and meme coins have been a very fruitful opportunity the last few weeks and months. It's the number one way, I think, to create financial freedom right now in this world. It's so speculative, yes. And are there scams? Yes. I mean, 100%. But there are also great people and great companies too. PMPY. Look at this chart. This is the weekly chart on PMPY, Prometheum. Sitting at a $16 million market cap. Another AI crypto we called way down here, super early. Unbelievable play. Unbelievable play for us so far. PMPY, Prometheum. Unbelievable what they've been able to do here. This is another AI crypto, layer 2 blockchain, and AI mobile application coming soon. Definitely get into it. They have a DeFi crypto trading application coming. Give it a look. The chart has been phenomenal. This is the weekly chart, by the way, that we're looking at on Prometheum. Andreas, boring? If it's boring, just leave. Just leave. There's no reason to be negative. Just leave and do us all a favor. We don't want any of your negativity rubbing off on us. Okay? No, thank you. No, thank you. By the way, guys, if you're brand new, subscribe to the channel. Okay? If you're a positive person and you want to make money in crypto, subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn about new things happening in the space all the time, subscribe to the channel. If you want daily crypto content, subscribe to the channel. Suka, OG meme coin community token, still well invested here. It's been a rough week, but before that we had 3 weeks of uptrends. A little bit of a pullback on the weekly chart now, but when we zoom out, still looks really solid here on the weekly. Still good volume. There always is. I think Suka is going to be primed to make a big run in this cycle. VSG on Ethereum. This is another layer 2, guys. This is the weekly chart on VSG. Still 8.3 million. This is a sleeper. Not a lot of people are talking about this yet. We invested in it very early on. Partnered up with them. Brought them onto our Twitter space last Monday. This past Monday. We've made a video about them as well. Vitalik Smart Gas token has been crushing it. The VSG token. We're going to have to do another full video review on these guys. Actually, we'll probably get one out today on these guys. VSG has been crushing it. And I love what their NFTs bring to the table too. This layer 2 is very unique. Definitely check it out. There's a lot of great layer 2s. How about another AI gem for you? Worked with these guys too. And this is when they were a $2 million market cap. Look at the last week and a half they've had. Artemis AI. They partnered with NVIDIA in their startup program. Tons of opportunities here. 6.67 million market cap on Ethereum. Artemis AI. Artemis AI. ATAI. ATAI. So that's another free alpha play. Ponky on Solana. We're out of this trade right now. It has been on a downtrend. I think this thing will come back. Still has great volume. But we are out of this trade completely right now. Let's see. What's Bowden doing on Solana? We missed this one, but this thing looks amazing. Joe Bowden on Solana. $182 million market cap. Unbelievable. Joe Bowden. Man, this thing went even further than Trump did, huh? Look at Joe Bowden. That's crazy. Tons of capital flowing in there. I think Trump might be coming to an end, huh? I don't know. Let's look at some of our holdings that we do still hold. Kalana has come way down since we got into it. We did make some successful trades. I thought the energy drink on Solana would do better. I really did. But we're still holding a little bit. We won on the trade, though. We never worked with them, by the way. OX Number is a team we have worked with in the past. They're on a little bit of a pullback. You might want to look at this one. Still great volume, $4 million market cap. Decentralized phone numbers. Very unique use case, $4 million market cap. And again, we're giving you guys a ton of free alpha here. And you get to decide what you want to invest in and what you don't. Syncus DAO is one we've been invested in for a little while. Syncus DAO still at a $57 million market cap. Big pullback, big opportunity potentially if you like what the Syncus DAO project is doing. SYNCUS, Syncus, ticker symbol SYNC. You've probably heard some other people talk about them. Some people were talking about Pang. We never invested in this one. It is on a pullback a little bit. Pang on Sol, PENG. We've been tracking it. Maybe looking for an entry. The volume's still solid, so we'll see. We'll see. Maybe. We'll see. It's just so hard to know if these are going to have another second rally. Thanks for the super chat. Thoughts on Chirply, an AI token? Great team. I don't know anything about it. Chirply, CHRP. Let's look it up. Because you did the super chat, we'll look it up. Chirply. I'm guessing it's this one. Is it on BNB and ETH? Is this it right here? Oh, they follow me. Disrupting the nano micro segment of influencer marketing. Is this them? Their chart looks really good on BNB. Their chart looks really good. $16 million market cap. Huh, is this it? Is this the one? Chirply? Chart looks phenomenal. Let's go to the weekly here. Wow, look at that. That's a crazy looking chart. I wouldn't buy into this like heavily right now, though. It's just been crushing it. This is the weekly. But, yeah, that's a U-shaped recovery, huh? I don't know if this is the right one. But let me know. Nonetheless, that was interesting, what we found. We are still Ape with Hat. We talked about this one. We did sponsor with them. They're on a big pullback here. Still good volume. We're still watching it. This is the weekly. So if we go to the daily, you can see here kind of where we are. We kind of talked about them right here when they were about a 7 mil market cap. They're about an 8 million. Kind of waiting to see what they're going to do on Solana. Still good volume. Ape with Hat. You would think that Meta could help us make a push. I got to talk about Quick Intel. Shout out to these guys. I've been partnered with them, guys. These guys from day one, guys. Look at this chart. They're on a little bit of a pullback, too. This is another AI play. Okay, they recently set all-time highs. They look like they've created a little floor here. You might want to look at this. I can't tell you what to buy. I'm just trying to put you on the plays that I'm on, guys. That's it. I'm giving you guys my alpha, the plays that I'm on, the people I've been working with. Quick Intel. This AI sector has been crushing it. We were day one investor. We're like 8x on our investment. That's been amazing. Okay. But again, they're on a little bit of a pullback. Might be one you want to look into. QKNTL, Quick Intel. We mentioned BitRock. We put another video out for these guys. We've been with these guys day one too. Look at that. Just a slow, steady staircase upwards for this layer 2. This ecosystem's growing like crazy. Shout out to BitRock. The entire communities, they're epic over there. Love those guys. Love those guys. Let's see here. I'll give you guys some alpha that I just got yesterday. I heard from a little birdie, I don't know yet, but this crypto right here, this BETZ, B-E-T-Z, I heard from a friend that they're going to be going on crypto banned. Okay, I don't know what happened there. We're back, though. Kaspa, buy now or wait. It depends what your goals are, man. Depends what your goals are. I mean, you could potentially buy it right now and still do really well long term, right? But yeah, this BETZ one, okay, we were going through our... This is all free alpha, guys. If you guys are loving this free alpha, let me know in the chat. Also, subscribe to the channel. Smash the like button. We're getting close to 137,000 subscribers. If we get to 137 subscribers, 137,000 on this live stream, I'll do a $100 giveaway on Twitter right after the stream. Now, we need 300 more subscribers. So we need 300 more subscribers to hit 137. And if we do it, make sure you guys are following me on Twitter. We're going to do a $100 giveaway on the other side of this live. Moo on Sol. We just did a video for these guys. Moo on Sol. Looking pretty interesting. Okay, it's at a $43 million market cap. Moo on Sol. Moo. We just did a promo video for these guys. They got a strong community, great volume, $2 million market cap. It's interesting. Doge 20, that's a pre-sale project. I will say this with pre-sale, guys. I don't invest in a lot of them, or I don't invest a lot of money in them. I put a little bit in there, and I just look to double my money on pre-sales. So Doge 20, same thing. All the ones that I'm promoting right now on pre-sales, and I say this, full disclosure, in the videos, because usually what we see with pre-sales is it goes up a little bit and then pre-sellers sell off. And again, then it has to be met with that retail demand on the open market, which could be tough. So literally, full disclosure, like if you're getting in pre-sales, you know, especially if they're like brand new meme tokens or new launches, I just look to 2x on those. On the fair launches is where you can make some big time money, in my opinion. That's at least the trend that I see. That's the trend that I see. Okay. And again, that goes for companies I'm working with too on pre-sales. And I don't care. Some of the companies get pissed that I say it like that. They're like, oh, you're only telling people to double your money and get out of our project. Okay. You're not going to tell me what to say. I can help you with marketing and put eyeballs on your project and give all the disclaimers, but I'm also going to be realistic. I'm going to be real with my audience and tell them that, hey, I'm not looking to 10x. This is not the next 100x. You know, it's just not. Like, it's not what I'm going to go tell you guys. So I'm just being real with you guys. But the thing is, in our space, in YouTube, in the YouTube world and the influencer world or whatever, we are the best place for them to come market. So like, we have to take full advantage of that. You know, ad revenue is not like anything crazy. So when I do promo videos, guys, I'm realistic. I'm not going to make promo videos and say it's the next 100x. You know, I'm just going to be realistic with you and tell you straight up, like, hey, yes, this is a sponsored video, and here's what I would be doing if it were me. That's just my opinion. All right, so let's keep going on some of our small caps. Hey, we got Boca in the house. What's up? What's up? We got an admin in here. We had some people shilling some stuff, but we got an admin in here, so that's good. By the way, update. We've got 136,633 subscribers. So we actually need like 370 subs, and we're going to do a giveaway when we reach 137,000. So we might do it on this stream. Maybe it'll be a little bit later today or tomorrow. I do not work with Pepe. No, I never got to deal with Pepe. Never got to deal with any of the large meme coins like that. The biggest meme coin I've worked with is right now, it's Brett. Brett is the biggest meme coin that I'm working with current market cap. And Myro's sent. But Brett right now at 368 million. This is the biggest meme coin I'm working with, and I love what Brett's building. I'm going to be straight up with you guys. I bought a ton at 120 million. Okay, and I think, looking at the base chain is growing like crazy. They need a $1 billion market cap meme coin at least. I mean, this could be the Shiba Inu on base, on the base network. You know, Brett, this could be the SHIB on base, right? Guys, and when it comes to meme coins, it's totally different than other cryptos. It's totally different than other cryptos. Another play that we've been on for a while, it's on a little bit of a pullback, but man, they've had a great run. How about tips? Tips, just the tip on Sol, guys. I forgot about this one. 6.13 million market cap. Look at this chart. On a little bit of a pullback, we're still holding steady here on this. We are still holding really nicely. We've profited on this 2 times on the way up. We got in here at a $600,000 market cap. So just the tip has been really good. Hilarious meme too. I mean, you got to love that, right? Hilarious. Just the tip. I want to make another cup of coffee. Should I make another cup of coffee? Let me know in the chat. Should I make another cup? Is it a 2-cup Sunday? Is it a 2-cup Sunday? Guys, 350 people with us. I appreciate you guys. Respect. Subscribe. But we only have 68 damn likes. Come on, damn it. Let's get 100 likes at least. Hit the 3 little dots. Hit the like button. We're giving you guys free alpha here. But I think just the tip still has some legs. Strong community. Really good volume. Look at that. almost 500,000 in volume. It's been steady. It's been steady. Let's see if there's another one that's down a little bit. There's probably some others here. There's a lot. I mean, we are in a lot of plays right now. We are in a lot of freaking plays. I've been waiting to see if there's going to be an entry on Corgi AI. It's still at a $900 million market cap. A little bit of a pullback, but not big enough for me to enter yet. I would love a pullback into this range. I just don't know if we're going to get it. Corgi AI has just been, that was insane. What else do we got here? I'm looking on my list. Operation Phoenix, we did do a video for these guys. They're at a $3.3 million market cap. I like what they stand for. Volume's been relatively low. I really would like to see them make a nice move. I like what they're trying to do. They're trying to basically, revitalize the Safe Moon idea. And they're driven by community members. So I do like the idea. Oh, Book of Memes. People were asking about Book of Memes. Here's the daily chart on Book of Memes. We had a great entry. We are up a little bit still on our investment just from the other day when we decided to buy in. I think we're still looking really primed with Book of Memes to make another push at all-time highs. And we'll be looking to make a 3 or 4x on that trade. We got in, by the way, $700 million market cap. It's sitting at 900 right now. We waited. When it was at 1.8 billion, when it flew up here, we were not buying shit. We were not buying that. Crazy. You're crazy if you bought up here. We said we'll wait till it comes down to 600 to 700 million. It did. And then we bought the dip. We did it live just a couple of days ago on the stream. So we do that from time to time, just right on the live stream, just buying stuff right on the lives. So again, subscribe so you don't miss out. We're always going live. We're always doing video content. There's tons of stuff here on the channel all the time, from YouTube Shorts, live streams, and we appreciate you guys, seriously. Let me know if you're new. I'm curious to see if there's anybody new here in the chat. Bitcoin Cash is moving. What do you think about BCH? Any price predictions for it? I'm not a Bitcoin Cash fan. I just own Bitcoin. People's yelling about Pola. I don't know what that is. Boca's on it, though, man. He's deleting all the shills. You can let them shill once, Boca, but if they shill twice or a third time, then take it out. But let them shill once. One shill's okay. I should have said that. Now that's going to open the floodgates. Oh, we got a lot of new people. Nice. Welcome, guys. So if you guys are new, let me just give... Oh, SMRT. We talked about it earlier. Love that play, Paul. If you guys are new, a lot of times new people coming in, they're trying to navigate this space. They're wondering, like, what the hell is all these meme coins? Meme coins are very risky. It's gambling. It's the casino of crypto. Okay? It is not the same as Bitcoin, Ethereum, big cap cryptos that are on the top 100. So just know that, this is our top 100 list. You've got Bitcoin, Ethereum. It's totally different styles of investing when you're investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Dogecoin, and then small caps, okay? So it's totally different. So I invest in every sector. But in the meme coin space, I only allocate a very small percentage of my portfolio to meme coins. And most of my holdings are in top 100 cryptos. My top 7 holdings right now, again, giving you guys free alpha, okay? I'll give you guys my top 10. You want to hear my top 10 right now? Top 10 holdings. See if I can remember this off the top of my head without actually looking at all my sheets. We've got Bitcoin. We've got Ethereum. Not in any order, okay? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, Polygon, Stacks. How many is that? Kaspa. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Kaspa, Cardano, Solana, Stacks, Chainlink. I should have wrote these down. Actually, hold on. Let me go back to my sheet. Kronos. Kronos is my 10th largest holding. Oh, and Aptos. We're betting pretty big on Aptos here. Aptos and Sui. We also own a ton of the AI cryptos, which make up a lot of like my 11 to 20 range. The top AI cryptos like Render, Injective, The Graph, those three right there, right off the top of my head. H-bar's in there, Singularity Net, Fetch AI. So there you go. There's some ones that I like that I own near the top of my list. Gaming, Beam, Gala, and Mira. Gala and Beam are pretty much neck and neck. Gala's ranked number 61, just under 2 billion. Beam is also just under 2 billion, sitting at 63 on the big board, on the top 100 list. Beam and Gala in the gaming sector on the top 100. And then I like Mira as well. MYRIA. $2 super chat. What's up? Thank you. And Pola is getting some love here. Boca's busy deleting shills. I see that. Okay. If you love crypto, don't vote left. Oh, shit. We got political people in the house. I'm not political. I don't really care, honestly. It doesn't change my life. I'm going to be grinding Saturday and Sunday regardless who the president is. I don't know. I feel like it matters, but you can't let it like dominate your life because you got to focus on what you can control. Let's see if there's any other small caps. I hear you, man. I hear you. I mean, there's no doubt that Democrats have been very much against crypto compared to Republicans. I'm with you there. But there are some Republicans and Democrats that are in favor of crypto too. And there's obviously Democrats and Republicans that don't like it too. But I hear you. I hear you. I just don't like to get too crazy with politics. It's just, to me, you're just taking time and energy away from things that can be helping your business grow and making money. All you have is time and energy. If you spend all your time and energy on, debating people in politics, it's like, is that helping you make any money? Is it helping you advance your career? Probably not, But I also have a sickness that I work 24/7 pretty much. And, yeah. But I also love hanging out with you guys. Oh, one we didn't mention is Kulo on Matic. Did you guys see Warren Sapp has been talking about Kulo? Here's the Kulo chart, by the way. $20 million market cap. It's the number one of the best ones on Polygon on Matic. I don't think, are there higher market caps? It looks like there might be. GOD. I don't know if these are necessarily meme coins, though. Any Inu, I have no idea what this is. But here, let me go back to Kulo, because this is the one that I own. This is the only meme coin on Matic that I own. Here's Kulo chart. We pumped up to high hell, and then we've come down. We are consolidating. I am hoping we're getting ready for another blast off. So this might be one you want to look at. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of consolidation. Kulo, $20 million market cap, good volume. We own this one at a really good spot at like 10 million market cap. We gave it free. Alpha, we gave it right here on this channel. We gave it in one of these live streams that we were entering Kulo. That's what I'm saying, guys. You cannot miss out. You can't afford to miss out on these live streams. So not only subscribe, but hit the notification bell, because sometimes even when you're subscribed, YouTube doesn't notify you for whatever reason. So hit the notification bell. Literally, get ready, get locked and loaded, because there's tons of opportunities right now in this market just flying at us all the time. Let's see here. Corey Johnson with a $5 super chat. My man, thank you so much. You did not have to do that. But when you do, we jump right to your questions for sure. Let's see. What's your exit strategy this cycle? Sell altcoins, but hodl most of your Bitcoin long term. Very similar to that, Corey. We're going to be selling a lot of our altcoins 100% out. And at some point, it's probably going to be October, November 2025-ish is a time frame. And if we don't time it up perfectly, that's okay. But we have individual exit strategies with every crypto we're in. And a lot of the top ones, if it hits those exit strategies, we're going to exit all the way and we'll buy back in the bear market. So that goes for Solana, that goes for Cardano, that goes for any top crypto that we get into. Now, with these meme coins right now, my strategy that's ongoing right now with the Solana meme coins is to get up big, take profits little by little every single day, and stack my Solana position. On the Ethereum side, if we get up big on an Ethereum project, take profits every day and stack my Ethereum position. On Polygon, if Kulo goes to the frickin' moon, we're going to stack our Matic position because we love Polygon Matic anyway. We'll just be able to stack it up a little bit more. That's what our goal was with SNEC, the meme coin on Cardano too. SNEC hasn't really come back just yet. But then I'm also taking those profits from meme coins and buying more of my household cryptos. Like I just bought more kaspa with meme coin gains the other day. I bought more Jasmy with meme coin gains, where, you know, I see some cryptos that I have upside that I don't have a big enough position in, that I want to have a bigger position in. I'm doing that as well. But yes, most of my meme coins are going to be sold at some point in this cycle, man. Nicole Harris, good morning. Can you look at Leonardo DiCaprio? Is that a crypto? Are you serious? You can't make this stuff up. DiCaprio on Sol. Oh, it just launched. This thing? It just launched hours ago. It's only at a 421K market cap, but I have no idea about this one, guys. It's getting good volume. If you guys want a degen, I mean, make sure you guys run this through your due diligence. I would run this through like a contract checker. But DiCaprio on Sol, ticker symbol cheers, seems to be moving. So I appreciate the $5 donation. There's some alpha for the degens out there. Yeah, you got to look at the contract. Let me see if there's any other ones. This is another utility-based play that has been crushing it. Here, let me give you guys this one. If you saw it here first, we were at like a $6 million market cap on ZKML. Now it's sitting at a $45 million market cap. This is built on the XRP ledger. So XRP Army, I don't know if you've seen this one. We partnered up with them at around a $7 million market cap. They're at $45 million now. They went as high as like 80 million market cap just a few days ago. Crazy. But ZKML, that's a legitimate project. ZKML is, they're focusing in on privacy and security in the context of CBDC transactions. I know that's a iffy subject. I mean, I don't want CBDCs in the US, but it's happening in other places, and there needs to be technology in order to build those things. Doesn't mean you can't invest in a company that is doing it, right? It's like, that's where you got to let your emotions out of it. Like, just because you don't agree with, you know, CBDCs, like, I can still put all that to the side, and I've invested in that and made money on it because I know it's big outside the US. Do I want it in the United States? No. But other countries are already implementing it. Make sure you guys are following us over on Twitter too. It's at Z_Humphries. Links are down below. We have 17 subscribers here too. We almost have 95,000 followers on Twitter. So make sure you guys follow us over there. Also, Margex. Links are down below to Margex. Reliable way to trade Bitcoin with up to 100x leverage. You get a 20% deposit bonus when you use my Margex link down below. So if you guys are interested in leverage trading, they offer a broad range of powerful tools to harness your trading skills too. They actually just listed kaspa, and it's really cool. When you sign up with them, you could ask them to list projects, and they actually listen to you. And if they get enough people that's asking about it, they list them from the people. So pretty cool. Be careful with leverage trading. Obviously, you have to be a seasoned trader or understand what you're doing. But we do have a lot of people using my link over at Margex. They're loving it. So if you're looking for a place to trade, I am going to be partnering up with a couple spot trading platforms here soon too. So I will have I'll have a CoinW link down there very soon, and I got to put my Bybit link back down there too. So if you want spot trading, we'll have those for you too. But and we'll give you some nice kickbacks too, in the form of discounts if you want to trade on any or all of those platforms. All right, so haven't talked about XT Algo at all. That's my company too, my trading indicator. Also has a Twitter page. You can follow us over there. Trading indicator, simple, easy to use. You could trade crypto stocks with it. That link's down below. Oh, let's see here. Appreciate everybody that's new here, that's subscribing, new people coming in. Trying to give you guys some more insight and some more alpha here. Let's see, what other cryptos have we not addressed? Another SHIB ecosystem play, Bad Idea AI, right? $27 million market cap. We recently, oops, move that cord out of the way. We recently had a big pop in the price and coming back down a little bit, but still I think a really solid play long term. 27 mil, that's Bad Idea AI. Part of the SHIB ecosystem officially. We still have a nice position there. Bones at $1 even. WAGMI Games. It's on a little bit of a pullback too. Another position I own. I own a lot of their NFTs too. They're at a $43 million market cap still. Really like them. Worked with them for a while too. I don't think there's anything I'm necessarily missing that's like jumping out at me here. Let's see. There's so many good opportunities right now. Bonk still looks good. Let me check Bonk on TradingView though, because we were looking at that the other day, and it looked like the bleeding was kind of stopping. It looked like there might be a surge. I still like Bonk to make a pump here. I mean, this is let me go to the 1 day here. Yeah, this is interesting. I mean, this Bonk chart, you know, we flew up here on March 4th. And we're still on a momentum up candle, by the way, on the trading indicator on the 1 day. Okay, so we're still trending up, still up 71% since that flashed. Now, if you'd have timed it up with XT and just took your own profits up here, you know, 182% move there. But it called it right here. This was the entry. You know, back here at the 1277 level, you'd have doubled your money just with XT Algo using momentum up on Bonk. But what's nice here, we've consolidated for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days now. This consolidation I like, okay? Now you either break up or you either break out or break down. We had consolidation back here and broke down. We're consolidating right here. If we see some type of positive momentum up, we could be ready to maybe make at least an ascend up here to, like, you know, the high levels here of 3.5, 3.6 level. We are above the 20-day moving average, which is good. Technicals are kind of neutral. We're still up 96% in the last month. We're kind of just waiting in the balance right now on Bonk. But I don't think it's going away anytime soon. It's definitely solidified itself. Appreciate everybody being here this morning, and we got a lot of new people coming in. If you are new, a new subscriber, let me know. Always love hearing from you. We're always getting a lot of new people on these streams. And guys, if you have questions and things like that, some of this might not make sense if you're brand new. You know, we're talking like crazy talk with meme coins and stuff like that. Just keep learning, keep listening. You'll catch on. And again, I think it's so important that when you get into crypto and you really want to be in it to win it, you've got to be heavily invested in it every day. And you got to be learning and learning and learning every single day. You know, you can't just come into crypto unless you just want to passively invest, right? That's one thing. If you want to passively invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, sure, you could do that and do well. But if you want to get into the small cap space and you really want to learn about this industry, the ins and outs, I mean, the amount of time that you need to take and focus it takes to really get in here, I mean, it's crazy, you know? So just keep that in mind. I mean, and here we're trying to meet people where they are, you know, whether they're brand new or, you know, just coming into the game. So appreciate you guys. We're doing these vertical lives quite a bit now. I'm trying to see if there's anything else big news-wise that's worthy of a discussion here or talking point. What about meme coins? We covered a lot of them already. We went through a ton of them. Dogecoin just surpassed Cardano in market cap again. Nothing crazy jumping out at me news-wise, guys. It's been pretty quiet, honestly. This weekend it's been pretty quiet. My name's Zach. Hello, everybody. My name's Zach. If you guys are new, what's up? My name's Zach. If you guys are brand new to crypto, I am a crypto content creator. I've been here for about 3 years. If you guys are just getting into the space, definitely subscribe here to this channel. We put out content every single day. What are we looking at here? Let me go back and look at some of our top movers here. Let's see here. Holy shit, that DiCaprio's moving. It's at a 600K market cap now. It was at 450. Do we want a degen? Contract looks okay. This is hard to degen in here. I wish we would have caught this at like 100,000 market cap, right? And we'd already be out of the trade. Because now we want to 5x our money. We got to... I think I'm going to wait. I think I'm going to wait for a little... I'm going to wait for a little bit. DiCaprio? Yeah. It's a ticker symbol cheers. Show the chart. It's very, very new. It literally just launched. Let's go. I think we need to go to like the 30. Here, let's go to like the 5 minute. Here's the 5 minute chart. We just talked about it when it was freaking 400. Now it's 585. Somebody brought it in chat. It's brand new, hot number one on Sol. I just don't. I like to ape these, you know, these ones that are brand new, like at 100 or 200K. And obviously, you know that when you're doing that early, you run the risk of getting rug pulled. If you guys are brand new, like a lot of these Solana meme coins, a lot of them don't last, they don't work, and you'll lose your money. But the one that hits, you're looking to hit on 1 or 2 out of 10. You know, so what I did was I started a portfolio with $2,000, and I could afford to lose that entire $2,000. And I mean, we've done really well. We've built our portfolio from $2,000 up to like $28,000. What did Rose say today? What did I miss? I know, DiCaprio, cheers. Well, we had it at 400 something, 400K. I don't know. I'm going to watch it. I'm going to watch it here. I'd like to. Then you watch it, and then you know what happens. It goes to like 3 million, and you're like, what the hell? You know, that's the one that usually shoots up the charts. I mean, here's the thing. I can afford to throw $300 at it right now, and it doesn't change my life at all. It's at 608K. All right. We're going to make a play at it. Hold on, guys. I have to go. I want to lose you guys, though. It's breaking out right now. Holy shit. DiCaprio. Here's the 5 minute. Jeez, oh man. If you guys get in this, just be aware. I could put 500 in it and not afford to lose, but I got to do it on this phone that I'm on with you guys. So hold on, I'll be right back. Hold on, wait. I got to send this contract. I got to send the contract to my cell phone, though. It's like a whole process. Hold on. Of course, this thing has pumped. It just keeps pumping as I'm looking to get in. It's on a little bit of a pullback now. Yeah, never FOMO in the fast green candles. I mean, guys, here's the thing. I'm FOMOing with money like I'm very blessed. I'm okay. I can lose $300 to $500 right now. Like, I just made $5,000 on a trade last night, you know, and I've been doing very well. I'm very lucky. I'm very grateful. I've been doing very well right now. And like, so I can afford to take this chance. Okay. You have to understand, like, it's not just go chase everything and throw money all over the place. I allocate a certain amount of money that I'm okay. I'm here. Hold on. Are you guys still here? We're in at a 690K market cap. Man, when I had to look at it, it was just over 400. We should have got in it. It's moving. 732. It's actually a great meme. It's the Leonardo DiCaprio guy, like the Bitcoin Cheers guy. I think it actually has legs. We put 3 Sol into it. Again, we can afford to lose. Okay, we're not concerned with it. Let me make sure it's in. Okay, yeah, we're in it. We're in it. We're in it. So we'll see what DiCaprio does. Oh, here we go. It's getting close to 1 million. All right, guys, we are in this meme coin at just under 700K market cap. We're in this meme coin just under 700K. We had the chance to get in at 400K, but we putzed around. We should have just aped it. But now it's getting close. It wants to take a move all the way to 900K. This is Cheers on Solana, DiCaprio. Let's go to the 15-minute chart here. It looks like it wants to run. DiCaprio. It's there's a ton of volume coming in, that's for sure. $790K, $824K now. So we got in at 670K market cap. Always know where your entry point is. Go on the blockchain, make sure you write it down, find your transaction, that sort of stuff. Always know where your entry points are, and then also take advantage of knowing the slippage and all of that, or at least token tax, things like that. Solana, you don't have to worry about it as much, but this is interesting. I love the meme. Radium swap for purchase. I got it on Jupiter, by the way. I like Jupiter. I don't think I'm pumping it or moving it right now. I mean, I don't know. I mean, we we jumped on when the one listener put it out there. It was 400. It was like 430K market cap. We're 763 right now, but somebody threw it out there. We should have bought it right when they said it. Oscar's in the house. What's up, man? Oscar, I can invite you on these vertical lives. It's kind of sweet. The only thing is there's no ad revenue with these vertical lives. But I still like doing them. They're kind of cool. They're kind of cool. Where's Brett? I know Oscar's on Brett too. Things been looking bullish. I don't know, Oscar. They treat it like YouTube Shorts, basically. Here's the Brett chart. Been loving that. It's just like YouTube Shorts. There's like no ad revenue. I mean, there is, but it's like very little. Same thing on these things. Same thing on these vertical lives. But I like them. They are cool. Yeah, we got the TV mounted up now. That's a 65-inch behind me. All of this carpet's going to be pulled out this week. We're going to put all new flooring in here. That tile is going to be pulled out. I got crap all over the place in the kitchen. That goes down to the basement. When it's all done, maybe I'll do like a house tour. Do like a little house tour thing. You know what I mean? So yeah, Brett's looking good. Okay, wait, where's Cheers? Cheers at 728K still. Okay. Who knows what can happen with this thing? But we're very grateful. Like, we are up significantly on Solana meme coins, so we could take some chances. This is not for everybody. Okay, do not just throw money around, and especially with money you can't afford to lose. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. I'm very grateful right now that I can throw 3 sol at something, $500, and it doesn't affect me. But it's because I won big on a couple, big trades. Like Donald Trump, I got in at 200K market cap, and it went to 50 million. I sold it well before that, but did well there. We started with 10 Solana. No, we started with actually, I think we started with like 12 or 15 Solana in our Phantom portfolio. Like 10 or, yeah, it was like 12 or 15 Sol we started with. We have 150 Sol right now, stacked. We have 150 Sol. Our goal is to get to 200. So maybe DiCaprio can help us get there, this meme coin. But our goal is to get to at least to 200 Sol, and then we have a nice long-term bag there. Doge is moving. Doge has been really interesting lately. It's kind of moving on its own. Yeah, just surpassed Cardano in market cap again. It's ranked number 8. No, we're not going to tile. There's tile in the kitchen and in the laundry room and all of that, but I'm putting in vinyl flooring. That real like nice vinyl, like what do they call it? It's like the vinyl life proof, I think. Yeah, vinyl life proof. It's like $3.29, $3.29, $3.29 like a square foot. So we're putting that all in here. They're coming in Thursday to do all that. Then the basement, I'm super excited about redoing the basement. I'm gonna have an office down there. I'm gonna get a big, not Mac laptop, but I'm gonna get a whole setup down there. I'm gonna have a 100-inch screen behind me. I'm looking to do some cool shit with that, so that should be fun. We're gonna do some things in the new studio. So that'll be cool. Well, I guess we'll be watching our meme coin now, our new meme coin that we're in, DiCaprio. It's pulling back a little bit. It's a little above where we got in now. So we wicked up to about almost 900K. We're just under 700K, which is basically where we got in. So we're even at the moment. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Anything else moving here in the top 100 that's worth talking about? Let's see. Ondo is one we've talked about before. They've been crushing it. ONDO, they're up 62% in the last week. Ondo Finance. This has been an interesting one. We talked about this. We didn't buy any. We should have. I did like it though. Shit, man, it's done really well. ONDO. Jasmine Coin thoughts. I want to look into their roadmap. Apparently that was just released yesterday. I've got to look into that. Do a video on that. Our best top 100 mover right now has been Stacks for me, STX. I just absolutely love that project. I still think it's so undervalued. STX is $5.2 billion market cap. And in terms of what it does, what it's bringing to the table, guys, it brings freaking smart contracts and DeFi to Bitcoin. That's freaking huge. I mean, to me, that company should be worth $100 billion minimum. They're at $5 billion right now. I think we're going to see a 20x on Stacks. I mean, call me crazy. My initial buy on Stacks was like $2,000, and then I've put a little bit more in too. I wish I would have started buying heavily when Stacks was down. I mean, because you could have got Stacks on the cheap, like not that long ago. Like you go back to November in last year, you could have got Stacks for 60 cents. You could have been 6x already from November. But we started buying it at $1.50 on the pullback that we got in January. So, let me show you the Stacks. This is the one. Oh, shit. Hold on. What the shit? There we go. Here's the Stacks chart. I wish I'd have been buying back in here, but we bought right here. This little trough right here, see where it hit $1.50? It popped up, set new all-time highs, or like basically made a nice run over 2. And then on this pullback, we used XT Algo on momentum down, and then we got the momentum back up right in here. We bought a good hefty amount, like $2,500 worth. And obviously, it's more than doubled at $1.50. Okay, and then we bought a little bit more right in here, like at $1.80 on the way up. Because I thought it was gonna break. So, and it did. And I still think it's so undervalued. And I still think we're early at a $5.2 billion. By the way, I'm not being paid by Stacks. I wish somebody would reach out to me from Stacks. That'd be amazing. If you guys know anybody at Stacks, let them know how much I talk about them for free. I talk about them for free. No, it's all good though. That's a large cap that I absolutely love though. STX. You heard? Oh. VSG, we talked about them. We need to do another video on them. Love them. Vitalik Smart Gas Token has been crushing it. Their NFTs are very interesting. We've been working with them for a couple weeks. They came onto the Twitter space. Very impressive in what they're doing with their L2, their layer 2. Absolutely, really like those guys too, and what their vision is. Yeah, shout out to VSG. It's been nice. We were a pretty early investor in there too, at least before this last big pump. So. DiCaprio is making another push, getting close to 800K. Let's take a look at DiCaprio here. This is it right here. Cheers. And Sabrina, this doesn't mean just go ape into it. You got to have a plan. I mean, I'm telling you guys right now, I got in at under 700K. At 1.4 million, that would be a double up for me. I'm taking my initial out at 1.4 million. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for a double up at 1.4 million. I'll take my initial out. I'll let the rest ride. That means I'll have $500 to ride from 1.4 million all the way up. If that happens, let's hope it happens first. But we'll be watching this all day at 1.4 million. If we get there, hopefully we do. We'll get our initial out, get our sol that we put in, and then boom, let's ride. Let's see what happens. But it's number one trending on sol right now, so that's good. How about frickin' Bowden? That's insane. Dex Screener says 1 million already. Not here. This says 834K. I don't like Dex Screener myself. I'm a Dex Tools guy. I don't know. It's what you're used to, I guess. Here's the 3-minute. There's the 3-minute chart. So we'll see here. Cheers. Is Cheers the next $50 million meme coin on Solana? Well, we will find out. We shall find out, folks. Dex Screener 1.7 million. That's wild. Is there another one? This one's on Solana. Shit, I hope I got into the right one. And this is why you don't just go into meme coins willy-nilly. It's got to be this one, right? Oh my gosh, it's funny. People are buying the wrong Cheers. They're sending another one that was launched days ago. Yeah, this is the one that, I mean, it's hot number one, hot number two right now, so. It's got to be, it's been out for a little while. It looks like the contract was deployed yesterday, or the pool was created yesterday. Yeah, never blindly jump in. Always run the contract. Yeah. I mean, I threw the contract in quick intel very quickly. It looked okay. But Boca, the thing of it is, like, sometimes you just don't, if you don't care to lose the money, and I don't want to make this sound like, I don't know how I'm trying to say this. Just don't invest what you can't afford to lose. And have a plan. The correct contract ends in TDWU. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Is this? Yeah, that's the right one. The TDWU. Risk tolerance. Yes, 100%. Like, you can't just go into something thinking, if this doesn't work, like, I don't know how I'm going to eat, or like, I don't know how I'm going to figure out this stuff. Like, when I first got into crypto, guys, I saved $7,000 up, and like that was my starting fund. Like, that's what I think is a good practice. Like, have a starting fund, have a starting amount, and start small. Start small. That's okay. Morning, Foxy. What's up? Let's see here. Appreciate all the new subscribers. We're getting a bunch of new folks in here this morning. If you are brand new, welcome to the channel. Welcome to crypto. You're coming in at a beautiful time. Let me know if you're a new subscriber, and if you're not yet subscribed, click that like button down there. Hit the like button for us too, and subscribe, guys. It's totally free to do, and we're bringing you guys content every single day here. What's up? What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? I like Cody. I like Cody. Well, DiCaprio's at 807K. So we got in at 700K, so that's cool. Jason Ansel, what's up, man? Just became a loyal member. Appreciate you, man. Looks like you're part of the VSG team, Vitalik Smart Gas, VSG. We highlighted that in the live stream already, like we always do. We talked about VSG a little bit. So what's up, man? Appreciate you. Founder of VSG. There he is. He's in the house. He was with us on the live stream not too long ago. Or I'm sorry, on the Twitter space not too long ago. We have another one tomorrow, by the way. Our Twitter space tomorrow, guys. It'll start at 9:30 a.m. I still got to make the thing out there. I'll put that out there later today and have it sitting there. But we will be on Twitter tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Coffee. What is it? Crypto Breakfast Club. The 5th week in a row. So, Jason, feel free, man. If you guys want to stop back by and talk about VSG a little bit, please do that. And anybody out there, all 300 people out there on the live stream right now, we've had upwards to 500 people on here. Come join us tomorrow. Follow me on Twitter. Get ready. We have great conversations. You can jump in, ask us questions, give us your thoughts, and everybody gets to, gets to hop in there. So definitely join us tomorrow. So this DiCaprio meme token, 839K. We got in just under 700,000. We got in at 670,000 market cap. We're at 839K market cap. Man, I wish we'd have got in when that first person dropped it in here. That first person dropped it in at 430. And that's what I mean. At that's what you're balancing, Boca. At 430K, all it took was not even a minute, and now you missed 250K in market cap. So if you're in a position when you find this meme coin at 100 and 200K, and you can afford to lose what you're going to put in anyway, go ahead and ape in. And that might be an unpopular opinion. Now, if you're looking at it like when Pepe was at $100 million market cap, or if you have a little time, if things have kind of bottomed out, if it's not just launching, then you have a little bit more time to do your due diligence. But you can miss these meme coins by doing too much due diligence too. I mean, it's a thing. It happened to me just now. And I was okay to lose the $500 anyway. Okay, so that's something that's, it's a thing, If you're throwing $300, $400, $500 at it and you don't care if you can lose, you don't care to lose the money. You're in a position where you can lose it, and you find something at 100 or 200K. It's like I did with Donald Trump. I threw it in at 200K, and within an hour, it was at 1.8 million. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a balance. There's no right, wrong way. I mean, it's a balance. I mean, the key is don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Have a plan to take profits. And if you're new to crypto, yeah, you're right, Boca. New to crypto, don't just ape blindly. You got to be somewhat of a seasoned veteran. I agree. I agree with that. It's hard because we're trying to talk to the brand new people because we have a lot of those people coming in, but we're also trying to talk to the people who've been here a little bit and the OGs. It's like, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to give you guys a little bit of everything because I know there's different folks out there listening. We got a lot of new people. If you are new, though, we do cover a lot of beginner crypto information as well. And it's still a great tool, a great place for you guys to learn with us. So All are welcome, is what I'm trying to say. All are welcome. But in terms of, broadly speaking here, what we're buying, just generally, where our focus is, right now it's meme coins. We're not looking to hold meme coins all that long necessarily. Some of them longer than others, just depending on how things kind of play out. But we are playing heavily in the AI crypto space. Been doing really well there. Very thankful, very grateful for that. But we've spent a lot of time and energy making connections and building a really strong AI crypto portfolio. I do want to do a full video on the full AI crypto portfolio at some point. I'm going to have to sit down and do that. It's going to be a long video, but I do want to get that done at some point. Obviously, we're really looking at layer ones and layer twos as well right now. New layer ones and new layer twos, like VSG, like BitRock we've talked about. Some of the new layer ones, large cap cryptos, Aptos and Sui, Injective, Render. So new layer ones, new layer twos, AI cryptos, gaming. We're always keeping our eyes peeled on gaming as well. And then meme coins. That's kind of how we're making our bread and butter right now. And there's other sectors that are popping, don't get me wrong. And we own a lot of other pieces in other sectors, like the tokenization of real world assets is big. We have a good position in TokenFi, and that's been amazing for us. Part of the we were day one in there. I knew that was going to be a big deal coming out of the Floki ecosystem, and I knew kind of what they were looking to build after looking at it through their white paper. I'm like, oh, this is a legit project with a huge community behind it in Floki. This thing's going to be for real, and TokenFi crushing it. To me, that was an easy bet, because it was obviously backed by a strong community, and they're getting into something that's huge. The tokenization of real world assets, that space is big. Anything DeFi on Bitcoin, big narrative right now. DeFi on Bitcoin, big. Still waiting patiently for bad idea AI. Oh, the pain. Yeah, Don, I hear you. It had such a quick run up. It ran up so fast. Do I think it will come back? Yes, I do. I think it might take some time, but a lot of people took profits on the way up. I was one of those people, man. I don't know where you got in, but I took profits and I'm still holding a small bag in hopes that it goes higher than it did before. Joji White, first time here. I'm already liking the energy here. Hey, love it. Appreciate you, Joji. Definitely subscribe down below for sure. Do you think Zombie Inu is ever going to get listed on major platforms? The Xenu token, I don't know. Obviously, they then created Mainnet Z. They're kind of going into more the solidified, creating a blockchain. That's a layer one. I'm a validator on that. I have a node there. So I am no longer an investor in Xenu. I was back in 2021. I just traded it. I exited fully in 2022. 2022 was a big taking profit year for me because in the markets, it was not a good year, right? I spent most of 2022 just taking profits and kind of chugging along on YouTube and doing my thing and growing my business and basically getting ready to launch XT Algo. That was a big part of 2022 for me. DiCaprio, by the way, cheers on Solana, ticker symbol cheers. It's a meme coin we're watching. We just aped into it at 670K. It's at 854K right now. Let's see what else is moving, if anything. I mentioned Tradix at the top of the video. Just want to give them another shout out. They're still crushing it. Their last 2 days have been amazing. I was back with them in January 2023, and now it's great to see that team still building, working really, really hard, building it from the ground up, and they're setting all-time highs. I love to see that. I love to see people win in the space that work hard. So I trade crypto on a lot of different exchanges, decentralized, centralized, all over the place. It's not just one platform. If you're asking about my trading indicator, which overlays on TradingView, The links are down below to that. It's xtalgo.com. We've got 3 different subscription models. There's a big discount code linked down below. We had another 10 people sign up yesterday. It's been an amazing tool. We launched that back in August last year. Did a lot of trial running with it. It's you guys can try it for 30 days. If you don't like it, we'll give you a full refund. And you tell me after you try it in 30 days if it's helpful. I mean, I'm not here to, I'm not here to hard sell it on you. I'm just telling you guys the trading indicator works. It straight up works. And if you don't like it in 30 days, full money back guarantee. We'll hook you up with that, no questions asked. So you could try it today for a little over $1 a day on the monthly subscription using the indicator link down below. Check it out. So, Javi, you're looking for a centralized exchange. Where are you located? Trying to help you out here, brother. What do you think about Base Chain? It's been getting hot over there. Jason, 100%. Base is next up, man. So we are heavily invested in a meme coin on Base right now, Brett. I don't know if you know about Brett. They're at a $378 million market cap right now, Brett on Base. And I think there's going to be a ton more meme coins and legitimate projects building on Base. Their TVL continues to climb. I'm very excited about Base. 100%. And what time frame do you recommend XT Algo? I look at it on the daily quite a bit because I'm more of like a swing trader over like days rather than like hours. If you want to go on the hourly, it really just depends on what time frame you want to trade on. Are you looking to make a trade in the next 3 hours? Are you looking to make a trade in the next day, next week? But it can be used on every time frame. There's going to be different indicators on every time frame for you, right? And different opportunities to make, 5% on a smaller time frame, but maybe 40% on a longer time frame. Will Slurf get on Binance this week? I don't know. I heard about Slurf. I'm not invested in it. I kind of missed the boat on the big run up. Yeah, if you're looking to scalp, you can definitely do that. I mean, you could definitely use the trading indicator to scalp your 2, 3, 4%, 100%. Quite a few people actually use it like that. You could definitely do that. So yeah, there are some seasoned traders who use this, by the way. I mean, it's built to be an indicator that, can be used by everybody. But there are some seasoned traders that I know have messaged me and said, hey, this is one of the best tools I've found out here. I kind of use it to validate my research, to validate my trend lines, and it's really worked out well. If you're a complete beginner, you could utilize it to give you the indication, just straight up. And it's not 100% right. Nothing is. But for those people who've out there who've used it, maybe somebody's in chat, let them know. I mean, I would say 70, 80% of the time, especially on the daily, it's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. Let's see. Good morning, good evening to everybody out there. I don't know where you're coming in from, but we've got people from, I'm sure, all across the pond, all across the world. We are less than 200 subscribers away from 137K. If you guys want to help us get there, we're going to do a $100 giveaway when we get there over on Twitter. So make sure you're following my Twitter. Links are down below. We've got Margex down below if you're looking to trade with leverage. Check that out. Got a ton of great things for you in the description of the video. Patreon's down there too. If you're looking to become a Patreon member, we'd love to have you in our private community. Boca will be over there as well as a moderator. He is here and there. I just put out some thoughts on SHIB. The first video out today, just price action. I like SHIB. I like what's going on right now. It's picked back up. Do I think it's going to 100x or anything? No. Do I think it's going to go to $1 or a penny this year? No. Will it do well in the overall market? Yes. Is it a top 15 crypto with upside? Yes. I think the thing with SHIB is we have to realize our expectations are different than they were back in 2021 from a price standpoint. You can't go up the same amount you did when you were a very small crypto. When we found SHIB, it was very early on in the process. It's now a $15 billion market cap, okay? It cannot just 100x like it did last cycle. It's not going to be that easy, okay? Over time, I still think there's upside there. And I think it's going to be a really solid crypto that will see massive run-ups at various times, like we've always seen with SHIB. And when retail demand comes flowing back in, can we get, up to $100 billion market cap, $150 billion market cap in this cycle? Is it possible? Yeah, it is. Just like Dogecoin. Can Dogecoin get over $1 and set new all-time highs? Yeah. Do I think Dogecoin's going to $1 trillion? Probably not. We got to be realistic. So it's not LTX algo, it's just XT algo. It adheres to TradingView, and I walk you through on a step-by-step. When you purchase, I have 6 step-by-step things that get sent you. It's on the thank you page. Thank you for ordering. You open it up, and I show you how to use it, how to get it all set up, everything. Everything's all right there for you. If you have questions, we have an email, support@xtalgo.com. If you have any questions. DiCaprio's flying right now. Is it? Let's go. We're in it. All right, we're almost to 1 million. DiCaprio's moving. DiCaprio is moving. What do you think? Should I send it to Austin now that it's $1 million market cap? He always gets pissed when I ape into stuff. A lot of times it's like when I'm live. Sorry, guys. I got to send a couple messages here. What's up? What's up? Just subscribe to your channel. One love. That's amazing. A lot of new people coming in. Appreciate you guys. Okay, guys, I got to run. I got a bunch of things I got to do here, and I'm getting hit with messages. It's time to get on meetings. Saturday, Sunday, we're grinding as YouTubers every single day. Grinding for you guys. So make sure you hit the like button on your way out. Subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I've got a lot to get to here. We're going to be watching this Cheers token, this new meme coin we got into. If you guys are brand new, always remember, do your own due diligence, do your homework, only invest what you're willing to lose, and learn every single day. Learn before you just throw money out there. Learn, 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 learn. For you crazy degens out there, go make some money. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next live or video. We're going to have a bunch of videos out. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the videos, all right?